One staff, 3 projects. Projects allotted to me are as follows. Academic project is checking of each notes of lesson. Next is school project, that is beautification. And the next one is remodeling project, that is subject fest. Good evening one and all. Myself Mrs. Swara Shenoy. Today I am here to present one staff, 3 projects. My first and foremost welcome goes to our founder president Sir Dr. R. Vardarajan Sir, Director Sir Dr. V. Balasubramanian Sir, and our management representative Mahika ma'am. I would also like to welcome Archana ma'am and our primary supervisor Pragati ma'am and all my colleagues. Proceeding further, I would like to let you know about the work allotted to me, that is one staff, 3 projects. Academic project is notes of lesson. Checking of each notes of lesson. I am the in charge of notes of lesson. I am checking all the notes of all the subjects personally, whether the teachers are sending the notes to each of the child and in each class. School project, that is beautification. Shlokas can be written on the walls in the corridor of the school so that when the children are passing through the corridor, they can read those shlokas easily. Some famous quotes, proverbs, and thoughts can also be written on the walls of the corridor. Next is some positive thoughts can also be written on the walls in the corridor as shown in the picture. Different concepts we can show as if shown in the picture, for example, up and down, in and out, far and near, etc. So that it would be easy for our children to understand. Influencing pictures of spaceship and spacecraft can also be made in the corridor. Picture of solar system can also be made in the corridor. So it would be easy for the students to understand about our solar system, planets and the Milky Way. Things can be made by using the concept of best out of waste and can be hung in the corridor. Remodeling project, that is subject fest. Subject fest. It's time to change the boring definition of all the subjects and inculcate love for those subjects. Normally with children hates a lot with hands-on workshop, stage shows and seminars. In other words, a special event where students can enjoy a particular activity or things they do, or an assembly where they are engaged in common activity. Thank you.